Hello guys, so this is a quick video about how we can check a longitude and latitude on Google Map. So this process same for all users like mobile users, desktop users and laptop users. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so here I am on my Google Map. You can see I have searched some location like a restaurant in New York and I have got some restaurants location here. You can find your location from here in Google Map and select that location. You need to select that location. So while you selecting, you can see this is a pin icon appear. Okay, let me show you again. You can see. So when you select that location, this pin area will be view. Now just zoom in. Okay, you can zoom in from here also. Okay, now just select that pin icon and right click on it, and here you can see your that location, longitude and latitude. Just click on it to copy and you can paste this to anywhere like this. Okay, just copy and you just right click on paste it, so it will be paste here. Now you can easily find any location on Google Map like this and select that location, right click on it, and you can find that location, longitude and latitudes. You just need to click to copy and just paste anywhere you want. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you.